On a daily basis, you probably visit tens of websites. You open your device, head onto your browser, and head on to google.com. Next, you'll visit more websites based on your Google search. And this is all done to seek out information or look for news, data, illustrations and whatnot. It all depends on your own purpose anyway, so I'm merely just stating examples. So I want you to imagine that for every time you open a website, you can actually generate streams of income that will allow you to earn up to a humongous amount of $3,500 in total. I know, it's really jaw-droppingly astonishing, right? That amount is surely no joke. In some cases, people work day and night just to earn that big of an amount. But today, I'm going to teach you how you can do it quickly. I assure you, by the end of this video, you would already be proficient and already well on your way to achieve financial freedom. You can finally attain all the things that you want, since you already have tons of money that you own. And guess what? You have all the liberty in the world to choose however you want to spend that money, because it's all yours. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell. So whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the very first website, which is called UpVoice. Now, it's really not that much of a website, but more like an extension to add on to your Google Chrome browser. That's right, you need to utilize Google Chrome to make this method work. Anyway, let's get to know what the website is before we proceed to the sign up and download process. So once we're on their information website, right here you can find UpVoice is where you can start earning gift cards just by visiting social media platforms on your computer. If you're an avid user of social media, or maybe you can call yourself a social media addict, then this is totally right up your alley. But honestly though, in this current age, I strongly believe everyone is an avid user of social media. So this method will all work perfectly in everyone's favor. How does that voice work? As you can see right here, everything can be executed in just as little as 3 simple steps. Step 1. Install the UpVoice browser extension. After you sign up, which we will be going into in a while, the installation is safe, free, and easy to use. Step 2. Simply visit their supported social media platforms that you love based on the instructions that they give you. And lastly, step number 3. Nearly earn as you browse through the social media platforms. UpVoice and non-stop captures the ads and gives you daily points that can be redeemed for gift cards. Now you're practically free to explore the page some more and locate important information that you think would suffice the knowledge gap to yourself. This page contains all the details that you need, so by all means, feel free to scroll and browse through the whole thing. Once your curiosity is satisfied, you can now proceed to the sign up process. Just click on the slow button in the middle that says sign up. It will then take you to this page, where you can now officially begin the registration journey. You have the option to sign in with either Google, Microsoft or Yahoo. So just select the method that best suits your convenience. Once you've signed up, just go back to the steps and then commence with step number 1, which is to install the extension to your browser. Once you do this, you now possess the power to create a stream of income that allows you to make money very easily, and that is to do the thing that you love to do online, which is to visit social media platforms. You can just do this while lying down in your bed, waiting in a grocery queue, or just a random scroll through your favorite apps. Imagine, just by doing that, you can generate a passive income stream very easily. Now, how cool is that? And that's basically it for UpVoice, which means we are now in the clear to proceed into the next website for today's video, which is called Brave.com. You should know that Brave is basically a browser much like Google. However, as you use Google, you're getting magnificent results that are right on the money in line with your search keywords. Let me tell you that Brave is exactly the same. It offers the same caliber of efficiency, simple navigation, and quick results that are extremely relevant to what you're looking for. Given this information, what makes Brave stand out? One simple word: money. With Brave, you can actually earn money as they offer you the service of gaining rewards just by browsing and supporting your favorite content creators. Like I said back in the very beginning, all of these websites will be aligned according to your own benefit. This means that you are the center of the world and the websites all work according to your favor. With that said, you should be delighted to know that Brave works perfectly in all devices that you own. And even more delightful, you can freely make use of either Android or iOS. Since they are going to work just fine on both of these devices, it can be downloaded on both the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. So everything is just a big chef's kiss. Brave has a stellar background in terms of its reviews and ratings. With an overall download quantity of more than 500,000 users, Brave has an average rating of 4.6 stars out of a total of 5, which is insane. Most apps only get an average of around 3 stars, and with Brave, it is surely placed above the global average. Not only that, but you can also see here that there are tons of overwhelmingly positive feedback and comments. With a reputation as stunning as this app, there's just no doubt about its overall integrity and legitimacy. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. And finally, we now head on to the third and last website that I will introduce in today's video. It's none other than Queen. Right off the bat, you're immediately going to see what Queen is all about. This is where you can share your opinion and shop to earn real cash rewards. Take note of this. You are completely going to earn real, actual cash. Not just swag or points. They surely make emphasis on that, by the way. But anyway, their website is quite comprehensive, and you can just find out everything that you need to know right here, right now. Now, let's have a little tour. I want you to scroll down just a little bit, and you can find these 3 main things that Q&E has to offer. First, surveys. Businesses want to know your opinion, and they want to pay you for it. Second, cashback. Earn cashback on great products and enjoy your wallet being a little bit bigger at the end of the month. Lastly, deals. Find deals on the biggest brands around. Or just let them show you one you will like. And all of these will stem from this one giant platform, which is Q&E. Now continue to scroll down, and you can discover their beyond wonderful reception, as they see right here. They're kind of a big deal with decent ratings on Trustpilot. Trustpilot is a reliable source of knowing how effective a website is, so you're absolutely in good hands. Next up, find out how this entire thing works. Get this. Q&E will do all the work for you, as you are just going to perform some quick steps to jumpstart the whole thing. You could just take surveys while you do your Monday and activities that are done on a day-to-day basis. Accomplish surveys and earn money on your morning commute during your downtime, while you study, or just by doing the most random things in your life. All you need is a PayPal account, and in as easy as 1, 2, 3. You can claim your money in no time. With all that said, simply go all the way back to the topmost portion of the page, and then begin the sign-up process. Immediately fill in your email address and your password, and then there's nothing left for you to do now but hit the sign-up button. Now, here's a bummer about Q&E. It's only currently available in select countries in the world, namely the USA, the UK, Canada, Australia, and France. If you live in any of these countries, then you should be all set. However, if you don't belong to any of them, you're going to have to use a VPN service, so that you can fully access the whole thing to its maximum potential. A lot of free VPN services are actually widely available on the internet, so just find what's best for you, and that's it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.